New supply chain movement. Let's see. My editorial about the company IT portfolio. More about it later. Interesting article about Gen AI, how to strategize within minutes. Analogy about total soccer and supply chain. Interesting. Winner and loser. Cover interview. Koppert, Dutch company, multinational. They produce biological crop protection, so they produce hummingbees. Very interesting company. Checklist about tariffs. Very hot nowadays. Management in an article about digital supply chain twin. What all companies would like to have. We're getting there. Interesting cases. My analysis about the European supply chain software market, leading to the IT super map. We all know it. We should use it. Roadmap about real-time production scheduling. A lot to gain in this environment. And this is quite new. This is our company IT portfolio visualization. You can download it and then basically you will have your own visualization of all the software you need for your end-to-end supply chain management. Article about the bullwhip effect in the biking industry. We can learn a lot. Bullwhip still happening. How to innovate, a worksheet or a cheat sheet. Very practical. Different kind of innovation. Extensive article about storytelling in business, in B2B. Also very hot and happening because of all the transformation going on. Another book review, Smart Rivals, also about strategy and ecosystems. And an interesting article about the drinking industries and the orbit charts, comparisons between Heineken and AB InBev and Diageo and Pernod Ricard. Also very interesting to see how things are developing from a financial perspective. And we're also, at the end of this magazine, a lot to read, so enjoy.